In this video, we will show you how to replace your front valance panel. On this Dodge Ram, this will be mounted directly to the bottom of your front bumper. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. What you'll notice as you make your way across the front bumper is that you will have two push tabs, one on either side, and then you will also have 8 T30 mounting bolts that make their way all the way across the front of the bumper. We're going to remove all of them. As for the push tabs, we'll be using a trim tool, carefully mark our way into this area, and we'll pop that right out of position. That's what that looks like. We'll give it a close inspection, make sure it is reusable, otherwise you do want to replace this. We'll continue on to those T30 Torx bolts, making our way across, and then also remove the push tab on the opposite side of the vehicle. Now that we have all of the mounting hardware out of there, we're going to pay attention to this area. If your vehicle has this air deflector, it's going to be time to remove it. On our vehicle, we have 3 staples holding it in place, one on either side and one in the center. I'll just pop these free and remove this from the vehicle. All right, let's get ready to install that brand new front valance panel. We'll start by starting in all of the mounting hardware. Once you have it started in, you can continue on to tightening it up. On this brand new valance panel, you'll find that you have 12 holes and we have 10 mounting points on the actual bumper itself. Put this in here. Now that we have all of the mounting hardware started, let's continue on by tightening each one of the mounting bolts and ensuring that each one of those push clips are completely secured. Okay friends, we showed you how to install your front bumper valance panel. At this point, you want to go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test and make sure you don't hear any funny noises coming from this. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.